Good evening. So today I will explain to you about the method of transmitting and receiving a distress signal of SOS through Morse light according to Coleridge's rule number 5. So kaning distress signal dia is ginagamit ni siya kung ang barko or ang tao is naa sa dangerous situation o nanginahanglan siya og immediate assistance or rescue. Here are the examples of the SOS Morse code and distress light. So first we have the 3 short flashes. Second, we have the 3 long flashes. And again the 3 short flashes. So to conclude, the SOS distress signal through Morse code light is an internationally accepted distress signal under Coleridge's Annex 5 in the International Code of Signals. The signal is transmitted as ... dash 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 or 3 short flashes, 3 long flashes, and 3 short flashes. As future seafarers, so importante gyud nga makabalo ta ani kung unsa ang pag-transmit o pag-receive sa ani nga distress signal, because this knowledge can help save lives at sea. And that's it. Thank you and God bless.